Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures and I have an estate sale haul to share with you. I paid $1 for this piece. It was hanging in the closet and I saw this printed fabric and I thought to myself, I bet that's Schiaparelli because I found some jewelry rolls before that were very similar. And then I saw the tag and I was correct. And I really like finding this brand. You can see that it's in excellent condition, a little bit of fading from the sun and being in the closet, but very clean. I'm gonna put this in my daughter's room and I think that will be great for hair accessories, chapsticks, Barbie clothes, jewelry, you name it. I found this marble statue. It wound up being $2 or $3. This is something that has been on my thrift wish list for the year. I have one other sculpture and I was so happy to find this one. It was marked Made in Italy on the bottom and it is marble. I looked into it a little bit. I don't think it's hand carved marble, but marble dust and marble bits that have been put into a mold. I am zero expert on this, but that's what I think it is. I've also added that little necklace to it because that's what I love to do to the busts and the sculptures, is just hang jewelry on them and embellish them. So I looked at a picture online of Venus de Milo, and that's what this is. Pretty much similar to the original. And on the bottom, it's going to be very difficult to see, but there is some carving into it. That side says Italy. And then on another side, it does appear to be a name. First initial, well, I can't even see if I can get it in the light, but it's a first initial, a period, and then some type of last name. So I was really happy to find that in perfect condition, marble from Italy, and for so inexpensive. So now my collection is starting to grow from 1 to 2. I also picked up this bracelet. It was $2. It reminded me of the bracelet that I used to embellish my shell ornaments. So that's why I picked it up. Plus it's in really nice shape and I just think it's a pretty piece to display wherever, to craft with, or to wear. Just a little gold color with some red kind of foil accent. I also got this rhinestone necklace for $2. It is a choker style. I tried it on and I liked the choker style, but it's just going to go on display, maybe on the statue, maybe on the dress form, who knows, but I'm amassing a nice little collection of those. I also found these salt and pepper shakers. I paid $2 a piece for these. They were heavily tarnished, so I have polished them up, not to perfection, but enough to let the details show through. I knew the tops would be sterling even though they were heavily tarnished, because I have some vanity jars and dresser jars that have tops that look just like this. And I love the shakers that have the little star shape for the holes, and the bottom has that really flat Victorian glass and then hand cut, well, I guess technically it'd be crystal. So these are the oldest ones that I've found. All my other ones are more mid-century, so I was really happy to find these, and especially at that price. So I think I'm going to display these with some hat pins or corsage pins here in the guest bedroom. I also could put them in my corner cabinet as well. I love to find small old picture frames. This one is not even perfectly square. It's kind of angled to the side. It has a velvet back and it has the smallest little pins that hold it in place. And this cute little hat and jacket set. It's very soft. I can't imagine that this is real fur, but it definitely feels like it. I don't know. And it was for a Ginny doll. Pink lining, little coat. That'd be perfect to go in that little closet that I made, although I don't really have space, and this is kind of bulky. It's got a little pearl to hold it closed, and it fits Venus. So just in case she gets cold in the winter. I added her on top of my wardrobe. I think maybe I'll put her closer to the lamp and then she might glow on the one side. I think that adds some drama, and then you can see the shadows on her folds. I found this beautiful frame. It's wood. It has this ivy and floral motif, light gray with gold. It's in very nice shape. It's got a wood back, held together with old nails, and it's marked Elizabeth Wyman, 1812 to 1886, married Samuel Stouffer Keyser. I've added these with my perfume bottles and jewelry boxes, some hat pins and corsage pins inside, and I like the look, so I think they'll stay there for a while. I also picked up this, I'll call it a jewelry box. It's not in the best condition, but I cleaned it up and I got it because I thought I could cover it with fabric and then add it to the other fabric box that I have. It'll be good storage for arts and craft supplies, especially paintbrushes, because it's long and skinny. It is very pretty. It's like a Wedgwood blue with the muses, but just has some issues. And it was only $2. And the last thing that I picked up were these lamps. I just cannot resist lamps. And I just thought they had such a French feeling to them. And I'm trying to add that into different places in the house. I've already ordered replacement cords. And I think that the lampshades from the other lamps that I got at the thrift store will be perfect. I just need to figure out how to cover them. So that's everything I found. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.